Okay, hello and welcome to this short tutorial about how to download images and videos from the internet. So first of all, starting with images, this is Google, so type into Google cat images. I can see some images of a cat here. I'm going to click on images. Okay, now the common thing now is that people right click copy and right click paste. That's not necessarily the best way to do it because of the size of the image. To say I want this picture of a cat, obviously it's coronavirus, what isn't at the moment. I'm going to go and I'm going to try and get the original image. So I'm going to go to the actual page. Okay, I'm going to right click, I'm going to go save image as. I'm going to save it just for the purpose of this to my desktop. And there you go, I've saved my image and I can then use it into applications that I wanted. If I wanted to download YouTube, I go back to Google, I type in YouTube video downloader. This one's a very good one, savefrom.net, so I open that up. And now I go to YouTube. I'm not logged in here, so it'll give me some suggestions. Deadly Indian junk food, sounds like my type of video. Copy the URL, paste the URL into here, press download. Tries to find the video and then tries to take the codec and make it downloadable as an MP4. This is downloading as an MP4 720, which is about right to come off the internet. Okay, so that clicked a bit quick for you there, so in case you didn't see. I'm going to press download. It opens up where I just saved, so I'm going to press download to there. Saves it again, starts the download, and there you go. I now have my my Deadly Indian junk food that has been downloaded for me, and I can open that, and it should play. It does. Okay, so that's how you download a YouTube video, and that's how you download images from Google. Thank you for watching.